Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So I have some very exciting plans going on over the next couple of days, so this should be fun. If you're wondering why my hair's looking a bit weird, I've actually been testing this kit out this morning. I've been testing it on my Instagram stories because I was really intrigued to see whether this will actually work. So it's called Oh Wow. I'm just using it. I haven't been told to tell anyone about it, but I just thought I'd give it a go because I feel like my hair needs a little bit of nourishment. So I popped in their smoothing treatment, which is the middle one here. And I followed all the steps, so I had to literally lather my hair, so it was like dripping in this weird serum thing. And then I just waited around for 60 minutes. I've had a shower, rinsed it all off with just normal water, and I'm just about to give it a blow dry in a minute, see if it has made any difference and give you my honest opinion. So that'll be over on my Instagram. But yeah, I need to do my makeup in a minute. I've just been packing my suitcase down there. As you can probably see, it's all messy at the minute because I've got all of my stuff on my bed. Well, I'm deciding whether to take. But yeah, I've got my tattoo literally in like a couple of hours, which is mad. You'll see what I get when I'm there. Hopefully I'll be able to film. I'm going to ask the lovely women who are running the shop whether I can. It's called Living Colour Tattoo Studio. It's on Monks Road in Lincoln. I've heard really good things about it. I've seen a tattoo from a girl on my course that looks amazing. It's run by all girls. I just love that. And I'll obviously give you an honest review and let you guys know if it's any good. Spoiler, it's going to be on my wrist, which is risky. Like, I've already had people say, "You sure?" Yeah, I'm sure. I'm really sure. It should be really exciting. I'm a little bit nervous because last time when I got my first tattoo, which is on my ankle, if you're new, I got a tattoo with my best friends. Sorry for this weird angle. I got a tattoo with my best friends. We all got a 1/3 on our ankle, like one of 3. I was really scared about the pain because I don't have like a really high pain threshold, and it was absolutely fine. Like, I bigged it up for no reason, so the pain wasn't bad at all. And now that I'm thinking the pain isn't bad, I feel like it's going to make it a lot worse and I'm going to be in so much pain, but it'll be fine. I am so excited. I've always wanted, well, not always wanted, that's bullshit. Over the past couple of years, I've wanted like loads of like hand and finger tattoos, which is very controversial. Like, I know a lot of people don't like it, or I think my worst thing that people say to me is like, "Oh my god, that can affect you getting future jobs." I can't stress to you enough how I'm not going to work for anyone that is offended by a tattoo on my finger. Like, it's literally probably going to be like a fucking little heart or something. Like, if you're not going to employ me for that, then I don't want to work for you. So yeah, just to clear that up, I don't care where I'm getting my tattoo. It's my body. I can choose what I want to do with it. And yeah, I'm very excited to get my new tattoo. I am just about to sort my hair out, see if the shine has actually worked and whether it looks a lot more smoother, because my hair was so frizzy beforehand, as you'll be able to see on Instagram if you follow me over there. And then I'm going to get on with my makeup for the day, and then later I'm heading to London. I've also got a 2-hour lecture, so lots of stuff to do. Let's go. Wow, so that is the finished look. I'm actually really obsessed with it. You can see like the shine. I feel like you can see the shine a lot in this light, which is quite good. So I'm just about to take some Insta pics and show the results. I'm actually really happy with this, to be fair. Like, I wasn't expecting it to actually work, but my hair looks a lot healthier than it is. So that's fab. Right, so my makeup is all done. I am just about to head off into town for my tattoo. I need to just quickly drop some parcels off, and then we'll be heading to Living Colour. I'm really excited. Yeah, that's perfect, yeah.
Right. Bye-bye, ladies.
Bye there.
Oh, see you soon.
I'm just getting on Joel. That's the only thing I worry about.
Yeah, that it made me twitch. Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
I asked her to hold my arm down because I was like, I'm going to just twitch, I know.
Yeah, just because you're thinking about it too much.
I mean, yeah.
You tend to start twitching for like towards the end, like when you're having a big one. It doesn't really happen that much with little ones.
No. Pussies. I don't know if I should watch it or not. Because I'm fine watching you guys, but you know.
That's what I mean. I'm watching it now, but when I got my wristband on, I didn't want to watch it.
Yeah, thank you.
Do you want it refilled?
I looked at my mum.
No,
No,
you're right for now.
I watched it when it was happening
I
because
think
it's
I
like
find
you know
it
it's
easier to
okay.
watch.
Oh right, okay.
Yeah.
I'll give it a go.
It's nice watching when you know when it's going to finish. Do you know what I mean? Like when it's when
when
it's,
you know how long a line is
Yeah.
and stuff.
Yeah.
I watched it while it was being done, but like this time I wasn't. I was like, I looked at it.
It's closer than the ankle.
I don't think like
Fine.
If I can do it, you can. You'd be much better.
When did you start your blog then?
I started writing a blog like in 2014, and then
Is that part of your media thing? Is it you were doing media or something?
No, I'm doing forensic science at uni.
Oh shit. Cool.
Yeah, and then I made my YouTube a couple of years later. And now sort of like that's probably my main passion.
Yeah. I always say blog when I tell people because it's like I feel like they know
Blog's
they get
better
it
than
more,
YouTube,
but then
Right. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
you're ready.
I'm ready.
You can do it. Just look at
I
me.
won't watch it go in, and then I can watch after.
Yeah, exactly. Just gotta get it starting. It's fine. You're good. You're good. I'm just staring you in the eyes. You're good. Even if it's not, it's over soon, so it's
How's
fine.
that feel?
It's fine, yeah. That was just me being dramatic.
No, it's fine. You can see me in the window a bit.
Is that okay?
Oh, that's perfect, yeah. That's exactly what I'm.
That's really clear. That's more like clearer than our ankle ones.
Yeah.
A lot of the ones that you see on Instagram are actually photoshopped.
Yeah. No, I've
So they're
noticed
not.
that.
It's annoying as well because people come in and they're like,
Yeah,
well, she's had it like that.
yeah.
And it's like, no, she fucking hasn't.
Yeah, I feel like before we got our first tattoos, we thought that,
we were
like,
sort of like unaware, but I've looked online and I just get sort of ideas, and then obviously I know that you can just see when it's photoshopped, don't you?
No,
It's
yeah.
so obvious.
You get like hella detailed butterflies. I
Yeah,
think
right.
that's actually really hypocritical of me because I've got a pretty detailed butterfly in my face.
But yeah, some are very intricate. That's like impossible.
or like they get really small ones, and they're like,
Just where the lines are so thin and it's like.
but it's
I mean,
like,
you can use single needles. This
you don't know
is
how it's going to turn out like in the
Yeah.
future. Actually,
This is a 5. So there's 5 tiny needles in this needle.
you see? Oh, I love it. That's like the perfect spacing. So
Yeah.
it's good.
Yeah, I prefer to do them on that
Yeah,
because
no,
this skin
100%.
is just.
Yeah.
I got told that when
really
I got mine. I mean,
wrinkly.
you can't see it.
I hate tattooing it. Like the ink just doesn't go in as nice.
That is perfect.
Okay.
Yes, perfect.
Yeah.
Happy?
Yes, very happy.
Me and Hat have come to Towel Bar. I'm gonna get some food. You're not getting anything.
I ate loads of
Yeah. Yeah. I've been tatted up. Here we are. Wait, let me just. Here it is. On the wrist. Hat managed to film the entire thing for me, which I love her for, because they weren't actually going to let us film originally, and then Hat sort of persuaded them, essentially, and literally we got to film the whole thing. So I'll try and keep as much of it in as I can, because obviously people who haven't been tattooed before, they might want to see what it's like. So I feel like not a lot of people film the whole thing, but they're so nice in there. Like I definitely go back. Would you go there to get your tattoo? Yeah. Probably more so than our first tattoo, just because like I felt like it was a lot more of a friendlier atmosphere. Like everyone was sort of like chatty and like made you feel like calm, I guess. And it was just nice to like chat to some new people, and yeah, it was a really cute place. I also liked how you couldn't see through the windows. Yeah. Because like my boyfriend's brother does he does piercings, but like also has worked in like a tattoo shop, and he said his number one like top tip is to only go somewhere that you can't see the piercing or the tattoo going on through the shop, because it's like unprofessional, and like they're so nice in there. So I'll leave all their details down below and on my Instagram and stuff if you want to go check them out. I'd highly recommend them. My tattoo was £30. I had to pay a £10 deposit as well, and the pain was like a little bit more than the ankle. You haven't shown your tattoo to my vlog? I don't think so. Hattie got a tattoo in summer. Let's go there. Literally in the same place as where mine is. But she was telling me how the pain was a little bit more than the ankle, and I was a bit like, oh my god.
It was the lines down that she was doing that really hurt.
I love it. Yours was a bit more like, maybe yours probably hurt more than mine, to be honest. Yeah, I'll show it properly when I get back later, but I've just got to keep this cling film on for an hour, so. Right, so we're all back home now. I'm going to try and close my windows because the recycling men around collecting the recycling and the vehicle is fucked. Like, the sounds it makes is so weird. It always usually wakes me up, but they've started coming a bit later now these days. Not that you guys care, but I just thought I'd show you. I'm just taking off my cling film to give me some like good aftercare tips and stuff, which we didn't really get as much at the other place we went to for our first tattoo, which is quite nice. But you don't really need as much aftercare for like tiny tattoos like I'm getting, so it's not too much of a worry. But I'm going to take off my little cling film. I've had it on for about 2 hours. She said I only needed it on for an hour, to be honest, but here it goes. I'm so happy with it. Right, let me turn it around. It's because I can't really show you that way. It's like whenever I look down at my hand and my wrist, it says breathe. Says breathe, which is so cute. It sort of like goes along the side of like my mental health stuff and like anxiety and worrying and stress and stuff. It's just like a little reminder to myself that everything's going to be okay, if you know what I mean. Like, that's sort of the meaning behind it anyway. Like, not that there had to be a meaning, but I'm obsessed with it. I think it's so cool. I got it in typewriter font, had a little bit of space between each of the letters, which I love. I wanted it in capitals. It's exactly what I wanted, so big shout out to Jess for that. She did an amazing job. She made me feel so comfortable, was so welcoming, accommodating and lovely. So definitely go check out Live in Colour and Jess's Instagram page. I think she posts lots of her like artwork and stuff on there. And let them know if you end up going because you've seen this video, if you were like looking for a tattoo place in Lincoln, because they love to know like where everyone hears about the tattoo place. So make sure you mention my name and say that you saw this YouTube video if you do, because I'm sure they'd love to know. But yeah, I'm super happy, and I think I'm going to try and get my mum's reaction because she had no idea I was getting a tattoo, and she's always been a bit little, not funny, but she always just doesn't really get the whole gist of things. So I'm gonna ring her now and see what she says, because it's actually her day off of work, so wish me luck. She's not answering. It's so annoying. Put some lip gloss on while I'm waiting. But yeah, I do actually need to clean this, so I might as well do that whilst my mum's not answering. And she just said warm soapy water just to like get off all the ink and like just cleanse it, because obviously it's an open wound currently. She just said be careful over the next couple of days, make sure you're washing it and stuff. So I've just cleaned it. It's looking fresh. I absolutely love it. Like, I just think it's so nice to like see that now whenever I like am feeling down. It's sort of like a little reminder, a little pick me up that I've got through it all before. Just need to take a step back, breathe, you know. I just love the meaning behind it, and I think it's amazing. I fucking love it so much. So here we are. Here's to many hands, wrist tattoos in the future. I literally know I'm going to get my whole hands tattooed, so absolutely buzzing. And now I've had some great news. Basically, I'm going to tell you now actually, why not? So when you're seeing this, I will be on my way to the Cotswolds. I'm going to see my boyfriend tonight. I'm going to London, and tomorrow we're going to be off to the Cotswolds with Cadbury. What the fuck? Like, you could genuinely cry because of it. Like, I really don't believe it's actually happening. Like, I don't know why I'm going. I don't know why me. I feel like it's just so random that I'm going. I don't know. But if you know me forever or for a while on here, you'll know how much chocolate means to me. It's my little comfort food. Cadbury's till I die. Cadbury's over any other chocolate. Like, you're dead to me if you prefer any other chocolate over it. I put a poll up, I remember, in summer because I had a massive argument with the boys at my work about how about Galaxy being better than Cadbury's, and I'm not gonna even go into that. And yeah, and it got a bit heated, and then obviously this has come round, and it's literally like my absolute fucking dream. I can't believe Cadbury's have invited me to the Cotswolds, and they're doing like a big Halloween carnival. I haven't got an actual Halloween costume, but my outfit that I've picked I think is very fitting for the whole Cadbury theme. I hope people do appreciate that. You'll probably see a lot of it on my Instagram, so if you're watching this now, like when I've uploaded at 4 PM on Wednesday the 16th, then I'm heading to Cadbury right now, and you'll get to see my whole evening if you follow me on Instagram, so make sure you do that. Apparently there's going to be like rides, they've got loads of surprises and shocks and stuff in store, and I got news today that they're actually going to let me and Aiden, I'm taking Aiden by the way, I don't know if I said that, they're actually going to let us stay in a lodge overnight in the Cotswolds, and it's all like around the lakes by you. So I really just it's blowing my mind a lot. So this will be like my second ever overnight stay with a brand, which is just mad. It's just a madness. The first ever time I went was with Benefit Cosmetics, and I felt physically sick on the way. I thought they were going to turn me away and be like, who the fuck is this? So I'm just like really overwhelmed and grateful. So thank you very much for everyone who supported me, because I wouldn't be in the position without everyone watching and supporting. Yeah, I'll leave that Benefit vlog down below, because that happened last February, I think it was. February 2017, no, 2018, that was last year. I'll leave that vlog down below so you can see how much I've grown like as a person as well, because I feel like I was much less confident. I was staying in a hotel room on my own, which is something I never thought I'd do, and I was so nervous about that, but like I would be more than happy to do that. And I just feel like I've grown so much in confidence and as a person. So yeah, you'll probably be able to tell from that vlog. And yeah, I just can't believe this is happening. So I'm going to continue packing my bag, sort my stuff out, and then be heading to London this evening. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed the little tattoo section as well, and given you a bit of an insight if you haven't had one before, or trying to find somewhere in Lincoln to go, because Living Colour was amazing. So I'm now in London. I actually spontaneously decided to come a little bit earlier than planned. So Aiden's here, and we're just about heading back to his. We've just been for food, just got some snacks on the way back as well, for dessert, and then yeah, we're just gonna have a nice chilled night in, and I'm gonna sort my stuff out for tomorrow's event and everything. It should be really good. Right, so I need to probably remove my makeup because that's grim. We're back at Aiden's now. We're just about to go to bed. I just need to edit the vlog and stuff, and then I've got a really busy day tomorrow. And I also need to try on outfits and stuff for tomorrow, because I'm meeting up with two lovely girls I've been talking to for ages. I'm really excited for you to see them. I'll probably vlog them if they don't mind. I'm sure they don't. I know Ellie does YouTube, so she probably won't mind. Yeah, I will see you in tomorrow's vlog. Hope you enjoyed the little tat. It's doing well. But yeah, the tattoo is doing very well. It's actually feeling quite like burny at the minute, obviously because it's an open wound. It's a bit like sensitive, so if I brush it against anything, it's sort of like I remember that I actually have the tattoo there. I'm just thoroughly enjoying like looking down it, you know, like when I was trying to do work on my laptop on the train, I was getting distracted. I was like